everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Sayani and welcome to another video of my birthday series. Also welcome to another picture idea video. Well, it would be more appropriate if I have named this video recreating Pinterest pictures in my own way. If you know me, then you already know that I always look for inspiration on Pinterest. I got some of the pictures and I really wanted to recreate those pictures in my own way. Also, I will be sharing how I have edited those pictures. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching till the end, and if you are new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle and this is my Instagram feed. Go follow me there. And yeah, now let's get into the video. So this was the inspiration picture for the first picture ideas that I took from Pinterest. Now let's see how it goes. Okay, so for this picture idea you need to damp your hair and you need some flowers. So these flowers are matching with my background, which is really great. I intentionally did that. Now let's click the pictures. Okay, so you need to stick the flowers on your body. Just watch me whatever I am doing. I think you will get it. So I'm gonna cut some tape and gonna put it right here and I'm gonna tape it. Now I will be taking another flower and I'm gonna stick it maybe right here, because in that picture she had a flower right here. I think she was holding the flower, but I think I'm gonna stick it. Let's see. I think I won't stick it, so let's click the pictures. Also, you need to spray some water all over your like neckline, your face, etc. to give it a more dewy and more like wet look. Now this is the basic thing you need to do, and you just have to pose. You have to feel the vibe and pose. This is always I say ki just feel the vibe of the picture and pose according to that. Flowers are the most versatile prop that you can use, and you can use it in so many different ways. And yeah, this is how the pictures have turned out. You have to watch the video fully to know how I have edited this. This was the next picture inspiration. Now let's see how I am gonna recreate it in my own way. Okay, so this is the setup so far. So first I have used this backdrop, this plain white backdrop, and uske upar I have used this canopy, and now I'm gonna use some cottons. I am going to use cottons from this teddy bear, this stuffed toy. You can use any stuffed toy which have this chain kind of thing. So यहाँ से आप cottons को ऐसे निकाल पाओगे, and then when you are done with all this, you can also put it in. Okay, so this is all the cottons I had in just one teddy bear. Now I'm gonna use this fairy lights all over the backdrop. So this is how the setup is going to look like. I have also used this flowers. I have painted them yellow, by the way, because it was a white flower and it wasn't suitable according to the background, so I have painted them yellow. Now just lay down on it and feel the vibe of the picture and just pose like this. These are some picture ideas. The whole vibe was a dreamy, fairy sort of a thing, and I hope you are getting my point. You just see and you will understand. And yeah, also watch this video till the end to know how I have edited this. This is the next inspiration picture of my next photo shoot. Now let's see how I recreate it in my own way. Okay, so for this picture you need to damp your hair a little to get a very like dewy wet sort of a hair look, and also I have put a lot of highlighter here and all over my face to make it a little more dewy. The whole vibe of the picture would be like बिल्कुल shower से निकली हुई ऐसे कोई picture. Also you will need a flower like this. This is my background. This yellow part will be my background. And yeah, I'm wearing this shirt, by the way. इसे ऐसे off shoulder करके पहनी हुई हूँ. And yeah, that's all. Now let's click the pictures. And this is how the pictures have turned out. Watch the video till the end to know how I have edited them. So open the picture in Lightroom, and first I'm going to the light tab and increasing the exposure, decreasing the contrast a little, decreasing the highlights, increasing the shadows, increasing the whites, and also increasing the blacks. Next I'm going to the color tab and increasing the temperature, decreasing the tint, decreasing the vibrance, and increasing the saturation a little. Then I'm going to the color gradient section, and first I'm increasing the saturation of the shadows, also increasing the hue of the shadows to the greenish side, and then I'm going to the highlight section and increasing the hue and saturation of the highlights. Then I'm going to the color mix section, and first color is red. I am keeping the hue and saturation 0 and increasing the luminance. Then I'm going to the orange and keeping the hue 0, increasing the saturation and the luminance. For yellow, keeping the hue 0, increasing the saturation and the luminance. Everything will remain 0, I mean every color, because there is no other colors in the picture. Then I am going to the effects tab and I am decreasing the clarity to make the picture little dreamy. And yeah, this is how the pictures have turned out. These are the final results. So first I have opened the picture in PicsArt, and now I'm cropping the picture in 4:5, which is Instagram ratio. And now I'm going to the add photo section and adding a random picture and cropping this part. And now I'm gonna erase the unwanted parts like this just to hide the cloth part. Now I have opened the picture in Lightroom, and first I'm going to the light tab and increasing the exposure. Then I'm gonna decrease the contrast, then decreasing the highlights, increasing the shadows, increasing the whites and the blacks too. Then I'm going to the color tab and increasing the temperature, decreasing the tint, decreasing the vibrance, and increasing the saturation a bit. Then I'm going to the color grading section and I'm gonna increase the hue of the shadows and also the saturation. Then I'm gonna go to the highlights section and increasing the hue and saturation of the highlights. Then I'm going to the color mix tab and first color is red, decreasing the hue, increasing the saturation, decreasing the luminance. Then orange, increasing the saturation and the luminance. Next color is yellow, increasing the hue, the saturation and the luminance. Lastly, going to the effects tab and decreasing the clarity and increasing the vignette. And yeah, this is how the pictures have turned out after editing. So first I'm going to the light settings and I am increasing the exposure, decreasing the contrast, decreasing the highlights, shadows, whites and blacks. Now for advanced light settings, I am going to the curve section and first I am adjusting the white curve. And if you want to know how this curves things works, go watch my editing tutorial part 1. The link is in my description box. Also adjusting the red curve too. And now I'm going to the color tab and increasing the temperature, decreasing the tint, increasing the vibrance and decreasing the saturation. Then going to the grading section and first I'm increasing the hue of the shadows and also the saturation. By increasing the saturation, I meant I am changing the shadow color. Similarly, I am editing the highlight color of the picture too. And now I'm going to the color mix section. First color is red. I am increasing the hue, increasing the saturation and decreasing the luminance. Then orange, decreasing the hue, increasing the saturation and decreasing the luminance. Then comes yellow, decreasing the hue, increasing the saturation, increasing the luminance. Then going to the blue color and decreasing the hue, increasing the saturation and decreasing the luminance. And baki, there is no color in the picture, so every color remains 0. Then I'm going to the effects tab and decreasing the texture, the clarity, dehaze and vignette, and also increasing the grains. Lastly, going to the details tab and increasing the sharpness of the picture. And yeah, this is how the pictures are looking after editing. And yeah, that is all about this video. I hope it was helpful and you enjoyed watching. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Comment down below and share this video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.